So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on network and internet, and then you want to click on VPN. You want to make sure that you have not got a current VPN connection enabled. If you do, then just turn it off. Now for the second method, you want to head over to the web browser where you're trying to access ChatGPT from. You want to click on the three dots and then click on settings and then click on privacy and security. Now you want to click on clear browsing data. And then you want to head over to the advanced tab and then make the time range all time. And then you want to make sure that cookies and other site data has been selected and then click on clear data. Now if that's still not working, you want to try to disable your extensions. So on the top right, you want to click on the puzzle icon and then click on manage extensions. If you think there are any extensions that are causing a problem, you want to remove it. Now if that's still not working, you want to head over to search and type in CMD, then you can run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and click on enter. Then we're going to type in ipconfig space / renew and then click on enter again. Now once you complete that step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.